So, why is rework happening on 30% of construction projects in Canada and the USA, and how can contractors get it right the first time much more often? There are a few reasons why it's happening, and I'll explain in each case how shop drawings can help. The first reason is not having proper documentation when the team needs it. For example, when the team doesn't have access to the details needed to install a product, as per the manufacturer's guidelines. In this case, shop drawings would help identify issues before construction even begins, preventing costly delays and rework. A second reason why rework is happening on construction projects is inexperienced workers, though it's not necessarily their fault. For example, they lack knowledge about new products coming out and how to install them. As a result, the team might improvise on the installation to the best of their ability, which can be risky because products are often designed to be installed a specific way, and their warranty depends on proper installation. In this case, shop drawings with a precise layout convey the design purpose and concept. It gives any worker the proper information needed to create, construct, and assemble any products as per the manufacturer's guidelines and building codes. A third reason for rework is a misunderstanding of the information provided by the management team to the installers. For example, a manager can give detailed instructions over the phone, but this might not be enough context for what's happening in the field on the job site, and it might not be easy for installers to retain all detail from just verbal instructions. Many people are visual learners, and no amount of spoken detail is going to give them the context they need to do it right the first time. In this case, shop drawings are a visual means of communication that improves product knowledge. It provides detailed installation techniques so that the crew on site knows exactly how to install the product and how any verbal instructions they get can contribute to proper installation. Reach out to Trade Pros at estimating@tradepros.ca for a free estimate on shop drawings for your next project. Mention the promo code TRADEPROS100 for $100 off your next shop drawing.